Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering on and readying both devices. Charge the watch to at least half, then press and hold the side button until you see the logo. Once done, open the Goqii app on your phone and sign in or create an account. Make sure Bluetooth is on. You're pairing now. Tap Add Device, select your model, and accept permissions. This step links sensors and notifications so you can receive calls, sync steps, and configure settings. After initiating pairing, you'll enter or confirm the code shown on both screens. This secures the connection. Once paired, personalize, choose a watch face, set measurement units, and select which app notifications you want forwarded. Then enable activity tracking features, step goals, continuous heart rate, and sleep monitoring, so data flows to the app. Make sure to grant location and background activity permissions, otherwise syncing can stop. These choices affect battery life and the accuracy of coaching insights. Use the watch daily. Swipe to start workouts, press to pause, and check metrics on the app. Sync at least once a day so coaches see current data. If syncing stalls, first restart the watch and your phone, then toggle Bluetooth. Make sure the app has background permissions. If problems persist, unpair and repair the device. Finally, reserve a factory reset as a last resort and back up any settings or contacts first. This clears glitches but removes stored data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.